Welcome to the Red Room. Red Room. Red Room. That's right. All right. I spent 8 hours out in the new room working today, finishing up the paint. Let me tell you, that's a lot of work. Whoo! But I wanted to show you when it was dry, because in the video yesterday, you just couldn't understand what color it was because it looked different. But now that it's dry, you'll kind of see what I was going for. So we're going to go out here in a minute and I'll show you what's going on in there. Still more work to do in here. I got to fix my ceiling that I tore apart to get that light out of there. But I still got all those parts, I think. If not, I'll just put new ones up. That's 2 hours worth of work. No big deal. And we'll get this room knocked out. When did I start this thing? 2 years ago? I don't know. It's the podcast studio now. Here's a look of it you probably don't see when I'm doing my podcast, but this is all the gear that it takes to do the podcast. You got your microphone, your mixers, you got a big light. Yep, got that in my beak the whole time I'm doing a podcast. Maybe I'll do one here after this. And then my camera. All kinds of stuff involved with that. All right, let's go in here and I'll show you what we got going on. Y'all ready? Let's go. You haven't seen this at night with these lights. And I did run out of paint, as you can see, but look at this, guys. See, it's a gray. And what I didn't bother doing this color. Okay, yes, this wall's done. That was way too much work and it just didn't look good. So I painted all this the same color and that ended up looking better. So I got both doors painted. Got that one painted. I got all this wall painted. I got that door painted. Big improvement. Let's get back here. So as you can see, the walls are gray. It's kind of a very light blue gray. And then these are, I don't know, what's the name of? The name of the darker paint is charcoal pencil. So that is charcoal pencil. And then this one, the name of that is Gothic something. There's paint over it, I can't see. So we got that. I was able to get this whole wall, all the windows done, painted, and I started down there. I ran completely out of paint. So that's where I got to take off. But we've got all this done. Come out very nice. And this, and I think I am going to have to buy another gallon, so I'm going to give all this another coat. I can see not so much these walls, but up here it needs another coat, just to finish it up and make it look nice. I did take that old antique mirror and painted that the same color as the door, so that can stay in here. That came off of a 1800s, I believe, early 1900s, either a pie safe or a hutch, or it was when I worked at the pawn shop. One of them got destroyed and I salvaged that off of one. It was a very old piece, so I thought it was cool. It's very, very, very heavy, very heavy. As you can see, it's old. I just put a wire on it and just hung it up. I mean, you can't even get this glass clean, really. It's old mirror. I'd probably say this is early 1900s. I don't know. And there's the hinges on it. So, but that looks pretty good painted like that. I don't think it would have looked too good, you know, without it. So we'll go ahead and use that. So I hope you get a better feel for it now that it's dry. Get back here. The lights may be throwing it off too, but That wall came out very good. There ain't a whole lot I need to do to it. Now this wall is going to have a big TV on it anyway, and a big fireplace down here. I don't know how I'm going to work. Actually, the fireplaces that I've looked at, they're going to come out a little bit. So if I may incorporate that into a fireplace. It's actually going to be pretty long. But I mean, you know, there's no way around that electric. I would have had to tear into the wall to put that inside the wall. Wasn't going to do it. And I still got something to do there. Still got to put my trim. I got to get trim. I'm not going to be able to get any lumber till Monday. And then we'll get all this. I didn't get to this today. Believe it or not, guys, I spent all day doing this. This was an all-day job painting this. And I don't mean in here slaving, just... You know, I'd come in here and work a couple hours, take a 15-20 minute break, take care of the dogs, come back. But I am going to love this. Let me see if I can turn one of these lights off and see if that helps with the color. Well, I don't know. Well, now you can't see nothing. But these lights are going to be cool in here. Looks really good. I'm happy with it. And, you know... Still got to finish this. Now I think what I'm going to do here, let me know what you think, but this is perfect for it. And even though I don't like copying what other people are doing, this is the perfect wall or perfect door to put a sliding barn door on. So I can build a little barn door. I think you can buy those kits. I can even build one out of some parts I probably got in the shed. But just a little hanging, sliding, because it's a really narrow door, so it can just slide over here and then it leaves plenty of room to get in there. Now I didn't get anything painted in there yet, and I am going to paint that as well. So just thought I'd give you an update, let you guys know what this looks like, because I'm probably not going to do any more videos in here until it's done. There'll be one more on this room, and that will be the finale. And I don't know how long it's going to be before I can afford to put furniture in here, but I do have 2 recliners that I can put in here for now. And, you know, I got the one that's in the shop, and it's actually the same color as, you know, it's blue. So it'll go good in here with this blue-gray. It's kind of like a Confederate room, isn't it? I know it. Well, I guess the Union wore blue too. So anyway, and then I've got another gray recliner in there because I got a new one. I haven't done the review on it yet. You guys will see it, but I got a new brown leather one that will stay in the house. And then I got the other blue one with the lift chair that'll come out here for now because I can't afford to go out and buy a nice love seat or anything just now. That'll be coming, but I will be able to get that rug, and believe me, that rug is going to go really nice with all this. So, yeah. Let's go in here and see what Miss Lily's doing. Oh, she's outside. Now, here's what I had to do for her today. It was very windy and cold, and the wind was just blowing in through there, and she's too chubby to make a tunnel. So I just hung this blanket. This keeps her nice, the wind off her, and it actually helps with the heat. It's keeping that heat in here better. And then I cranked up her, cranked up her blanket to 112. Woo, that's a warm bed, let me tell you. And them other 2 girls are in there. Yeah, that's warm. But it's not too warm where she's going to get overheated or nothing. But that helps right there. I could really use that blanket right now, but you need it, don't you? Hey, did you want to come here? Did you want to go check out the new room? Yeah? You see if you approve it. There she goes. What do you think? She goes at 90 miles an hour. Oh, she's going to see herself in the mirror, and she's going to get a complex. Guys, I know that door is dirty, and you know how it's dirty. That's brother, Waldo. And I just can't bring myself to wash this door off. That's his paw prints. Just don't want to wash it right now. I've got Waldo's paw prints all over this. She wouldn't want me to do it. Rooster, you're not coming in right now. She's in here. Miss Rooster wants in. Okay, let's go back in before we let all your heat out. Come on. No, we won't. It's warmer in here. Okay. You stay in there, and I'm going to let Rooster come in, okay? Are you ready to come look? You can't just do one without the other. Come on. Well, you going to come and look? Who's that little goomer? Lily went back in. I ain't want you two in here tangling with all this stuff. Who is that? Ah, the tripod keeps falling, guys. Sorry. No, you don't need to be getting in the paint. Yeah, I'm happy because this is... You don't really feel like you're getting anywhere until you get some paint on the wall and it starts to get to this point. Once this is all done, man, and I used what I just went on the inside there with some of that paint to kind of prime it because this door's never been painted. So I wanted to prime that up and then I gave up. I got tired. But what actually really works good for those doors, the metal doors I found, is these things, these little foam brushes. I was able to get a really nice smooth finish on these. And these doors come out real nice. I like them. I had to take some cleaner and wash them all down before I could paint it because they were covered in dust. But they come out real nice. I hope you guys can see the colors. I didn't see I had a drip there. Oh well. What are y'all gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do? Look at this one. All right, Rooster. It's about time to end the video. These people probably already hung up on us already. They've seen enough. Come on. She had her Clint Eastwood jacket on today, if you guys seen the short. And it's pretty... It was like the high of 38 today with a high wind. All right, guys. Just a quick one just to show you the progress because there's not going to be any more working videos out in here. The next time you see this room, I mean, there'll be other videos before that, but they're not going to be in here because what's left to do is basically boring, and I would waste so much time filming, and it's just paint touch up, and then I may film when I do this door, but it's a couple days away, so. But other than that, I don't think I'm not even going to film that. I'll just include that in the last one. She's trying to get in. Okay. Get in there. I'll include that in the last one, a part where I build that door. And we'll do the reveal. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like the colors. I hope they look different this time than... I don't know, in that video they almost look like a teal, and they're not. It's just like a dark blue-gray, and then I don't know what colors a pencil, charcoal pencil. That's what it is. Thanks for watching. Happy trails.